I feel like I've been filming a lot of like clean with me types of videos. For some reason, it just still gets dirty. But like sometimes like life gets really busy and so you don't have time to clean up. So I'm not filming this when it's actually spring, but I am uploading it on the 20th when it starts, when spring starts. So yes, but it is March 3rd to be exact. So yes, if you're new here, my name is Elizabeth and the types of videos I normally film are vlogs. And yeah, let's begin. Wow, look at how dusty that was. Can you tell I like Oswald? I don't know if any of you have had this, but like the Rem Beauty, it keeps coming out and I put it like this so it won't, like this won't move up, but it still comes out for some reason. All right, one section down. Yeah, a few more to go. All right, let's keep going. Before I begin, do you know how to clean this? I feel like every time I try to clean it, there's like more marks. I don't know. So this is what I have left. I think I'm gonna film another video that declutters a lot of these books because I'm not gonna read all these books and I know I'm not gonna read them anytime soon. I used to have a few here, now I have so much. By the way, I found the other one of this Cardcaptor Sakura for like 19 bucks. Right now, these, the big ones, they're like retailed for like 50 something dollars, 60. There's like, it's like a ridiculous amount and I'm so happy I found it. I found it on eBay and they were selling it for like $19, so I was happy. This one I got it at the store. So I'm almost getting there. I just need 2 more so I can complete the collection. But yeah, I am not gonna spend like 40 bucks, 30, not even like $29.99 because it's not worth that. It's not worth that much. But yeah, I was surprised that they were selling this one for cheap. Is that it? Really? Good. Because that is way too much. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, so this is how it looks after I cleaned everything. I also cleaned this. Still looks pretty messy, but I didn't record it because it was just like literally 4 items and that was it. So yes, that is it for this spring cleaning. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.